Mr. Omar Dunta. Moving on to Mr. June Paule. Sir, may picture po. Sir Jim. Next on the list is Ms. Rina Santos.
Happy job. Happy birthday. This is my gift for you. Chiba Sangal. Chivas Regal, this is the first luxury whiskey in the world. Chivas became Chivas because owned by the Chivas brothers. Regal because we received royal warrant from Queen Victoria in 1842. I choose this gift because you deserve the royal treatment. Like the fine wine, you get better with time. Cheers to another years. Happy birthday, Joe and everyone.
Sir, you have it. Thank you so much, Ms. Rina. Moving on to Dana Garbo. Picture put together. Next on the list is Romy Balon.
Congratulations, pare. Welcome to the club of senior citizen. Happy birthday!
Sure, you have a picture put together, Mr. Romy. Moving on to Mr. Alfredo Figueroa.
Senior citizen na yan. Kaya senior camp ko, kumpleto na bata ko ng sasaligang Pangulo, mga kaya may kailangan ng discount na. Salamat.
Alright, picture put together, sir. Alright, the picture put together po lahat ng ating vintage gift. Ayan. Picture po lahat. Dito na po, lapit na po kayo, Mr. George. Right after the picture taking of our vintage gift, we are now moving on to our gift giving. Lahat po ng merong regalo sa ating birthday celebrant, I'm giving it the right time para po ibigay ng personal sa kanya, para po personal kayong makapag-greet sa kanya ng happy birthday at personal din po siyang makapagpasalamat.